How to change the notification light for WhatsApp. Hello everyone, my name is Mal and in this video I'm going to show you how you can change the notification light on WhatsApp. The very first step is to launch your Google Play Store. Make sure you have installed the very latest version of WhatsApp on your device. Just search for WhatsApp. If you see any update version right there, then do update it. If not, then you can simply open your WhatsApp like you usually do. Go on the three vertical dots on the top right side, and after that scroll down up until you see the option of notifications right here. You can see there many options have been popped up in my screen. Among these all the options, you will now see the option of light white. So this is a light I can choose for my WhatsApp. So it is currently set to white. I can also set it to none, red, yellow, green, can, blue, purple, and any of it. So yes, just choose any, and then after choosing it, it will be saved just like that. I want it white, so I choose it white only, but you can change it as your choice. So this is how you do it. I hope you liked the video. If you like the video, then please do thumbs up, subscribe, and also comment on the comment section below.